Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. The second leg of the journey begins with the champagne game.
Thank you so
Enjoy.
much. Sure. There you go. Again, super nice hospitality.
The second leg of the journey begins with the champagne game. So it's about 1 in the afternoon Togo time, reaching Addis Ababa probably about 8:30 p.m. So cheers. The second day starts, and thank you for following me and watching these videos. It's very hot outside. I'm not sure exactly what's the temperature outside. I'm going to check on my phone, but you can feel the heat because the doors were open and you could feel the blast. Welcome to Africa. Welcome to this warmth. Welcome to the warm people. Loving it, guys.
So now let's see what's inside this one. This is interesting. This is a mystery. Let's open it up. Toothpaste, very essential. This is some sort of a lip gloss, lip balm, kind of a hand sanitizer, eye mask. No, actually a mask. Post-COVID times, this is essential too. Earbuds, comb, toothbrush, eye mask. When you're going to go to sleep, you don't want the lights on. This is what you use. I think something similar, not very sure. Very essential, a pen. That's about it, guys. So this is a beautiful champagne from France. Thank you so much. There you go. African hospitality. Cheers, guys. So guys, flying over Africa. I think we are actually flying over Nigeria right now. So it's about three and a half hours from here to Addis Ababa. So we are, it's still quite a few kilometers, miles away from Addis, but enjoying the beautiful service. Again, I got a new refill of champagne. So this is the life, guys. This is the life. I wish I could repeat this every day because the service level is just up there. The hospitality is just fantastic. The crew is friendly, and I feel so relaxed. The only small complaint I have is the internet is not stable, and that's probably nothing to do with the airline. Maybe it's because of the countries we are flying over. In some cases, there's not service because of satellite connections or whatever. But it's just. But other than that, I just can't say how great it is. So, a couple of things about Ethiopian Airlines is, it doesn't have suites. You have to, if there was somebody next to me, I had to jump across to go to the restroom or something, or she is sleeping. The other thing is, some of the frills like pajamas and all that stuff isn't there. The amenity kit is quite basic. It doesn't have, because some of the more world-renowned airlines have got very, they spend a lot of money on the amenity kits, like really, really designer stuff that they put in over there. But that's not available on this. But that does not really matter because the level of the service, the food, the drinks, the quality of people, everything is just, the quality of, the crew is just up there. And the beautiful new planes, so it's just like maybe 6 years old and it's very well maintained. All in all, it's a fantastic experience, guys. I definitely recommend, people flying Ethiopian, whether you're, coming to Africa or going anywhere else in the world. Try to fly Ethiopian. I think it's a great airline and it's good value for your money. So guys, lunch is served, an appetizer over here and salad. It looks very, very appetizing. So I'll tell you how it is. I'm going to get some of the brown bread. Thank you so much. Sure. There you go. Again, super nice hospitality. So let's try it out, guys. Let me check how this is. This is some sort of a meat, kind of a salami, I think. cured meat is salami, some couscous. There's delicious and some meat. Really, really nice. Here's the salad. Nice eggplant. Pretty fresh vegetables, guys. Again, look at the presentation and the quality of food. Just really, really got great. This is A1, guys, A1. So guys, we just served the main course. It's fish. It looks really yummy. So now the moment of truth. Let's try it out, guys. So got a glass of French white wine as well. It looks grand, by the way. Pretty nice. It's a little bit of more salt, but can't really complain. I'll put some salt. Very fresh, very well made, and it's great for airline food. So again, loving it. Wow, this dessert looks good. This is kind of orange. I think it's like a sponge cake or something. Let's try it out. It's yummy. Loving it. The moist feel and the orange zest. Loving it, guys. And of course, some more white wine will be great, which she's right now bringing, she told me. And I'm waiting for the Ethiopian coffee. That's icing on the cake, literally. So guys, that's the sunset over Africa. We are actually not that far from Addis Ababa, probably about an hour and a half. The sun is setting and about to land in Addis. As soon as I land in Addis, I'm going to show you how the airport is and all that. Thank you for watching again, and if you're loving my videos, you know what to do. Just please hit the subscribe button and the like button if you love my videos, and please put a comment below. This is very, very important for me because I want to know how you like my videos, because if I can do anything better, I would love to do better. And also to let me know which other regions, countries, etc. that you want me to cover. So thank you for watching as usual, and see you in Addis as soon as I land. Thank you so much. So guys, this is a two configuration. So every seat has an aisle access, which is so great. So the only disadvantage is if somebody is sitting over here while you are there, you have to go over him or her to go to the restroom, or if you want to just walk around. But today the aircraft is not full, so I'm being able to walk around a little bit and chill and show you how the whole aircraft looks like. So all in all, it's a pretty nice configuration. The only disadvantage is if you are sitting in one of these window seats, you have to just go around, go over the person. The other thing is this seat, which is 4A, it doesn't have a window. That is another thing that I don't like. So if you're flying Ethiopian Airlines 7878 Dreamliner, and if you need window access, please remember not to take seat number 4A. Or on the other side, actually the other side is not that bad. It has the window access. It's the 4A, which is not very desirable. So guys, I'm going to try out this controls now. So I'm going to go to sleep now. So let's see how this flatbed works. Love. Wow. Let's see. It's fully flat, guys. This is great. And I'm going to have a great sleep. But let me get my pillow. Hold on, guys. Let me get my pillow. There you go. I got my pillow. Now I feel super comfortable. Now it's time to go to bed. So good night, guys, from somewhere over the Atlantic. So I will see you tomorrow morning.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Sorry,
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So guys, landed in Addis Ababa. How beautiful it is. So we have to take the stairs over here to get to the bus and transit. Wow, look at these engines. These are just fantastic. Wow. This is beautiful. So this is how the aircraft looks from outside, guys. So getting into the bus. Wow. This is Addis Ababa for you guys. Beautiful. So getting into the bus, heading off to the transit lounge to get to the next flight. But I'm going to stop the video over here, and the next video starts very soon. So please watch my next video, and thank you for watching, and thank you for following me. Take care, guys.